students, welcome to VK lectures. In this lecture we are discussing the 15th and 16th question from Kset 2018. Here the generating function f is given, that is small q into capital Q. What is asked? Canonical transformations are asked. Now what is given? F is equal to q into capital Q. Now from q coordinates what is missing? Small p is missing. From capital Q coordinates what is missing is capital P. So we have to find out small p and capital P. Now these are the canonical equations or form transformation equation. Q is equal to minus dou f by dou p. That means if you want to find out Q, you have to differentiate with respect to P and put a minus sign. And P is equal to dou f by dou Q, small q. Capital Q equal to dou f by dou capital P, and capital P is equal to minus dou f by dou Q, capital Q. Now what we have to find? We have to find small p and capital P. This is small p, this is capital. Just use the equation. What is dou f by dou Q? You will get dou by dou Q of Q into capital Q, that is equal to Q. Now what you want? Dou f by dou capital Q. So minus dou by dou capital Q of Q into Q. So what you get is minus Q. Alright. So capital P equal to minus Q. So your option is A. P is equal to capital Q. Now here you have to remember, when you are remembering this canonical transformation, this small q and this capital P are minus, while small p and capital Q are positive. This is negative, this is positive. Lagrangian equation of motion, total time derivative of dou L by dou Qi dot minus dou L by dou Qi equal to 0. Now before going into this option, let us see what is holonomic. Holonomic means expression of equality, or they do not miss the contact or lose the contact. Now what do you mean by holonomic? For example, you are playing polo. The balls here will move in, this is x and this is y, x and y coordinate. From y equal to 0 to y equal to, let me write b, and this is x equal to a. Y equal to 0 to y equal to b, and x equal to 0 to x equal to a. This is the area in which this ball is allowed to move. If the ball moves away from this point, then this is called expression of inequality. This does not follow, but our Lagrangian equation of motion must follow this equality, expression of equality. Or the ball cannot jump. If the ball jumps from this xy plane, that means this ball is in z coordinate. It should not go to z coordinate, because the moment the ball is in z coordinate, we lose the track of the ball. We can't mention in xy coordinate alone. Okay. Now, so our Lagrangian equation of motion is based on this holonomic constraints. It must be constrained to that particular plane. Then now what do you mean by conservative? Conservative means net force must be equal to 0. Net force equal to 0. If this is not equal to 0, then it means that there is some extra force, that is called generalized force. Now if this is not equal to 0, you will get some value. That value is nothing but Qi. Qi means generalized force. So what is it? Lagrangian equation of motion are applicable to conservative and holonomic system. These are the next two questions from the question paper. Please try and try to get the answer and comment your answer in the comment section. Let us discuss the same in the next